Hello, my name is Carol Svizak. I'm a New York State licensed real estate salesperson for Bruce Ward in Herkimer, New York. I've had the pleasure of listing this property, this beautiful property in the foothills of the Adirondacks in Stratford, New York. Owner originally purchased as a fixer-upper, but has completed all major renovations. This is a move-in ready residence at a very low price, bordered by state land. Move in and enjoy. Call for your viewing, 315-269-6933. Look forward to meeting with you and helping you obtain your dream home. Thank you.